I am not resist, but the kids they are in there. The kids they are in there. Please.
Je ne résiste pas. Un cri de désespoir alors que les menottes se referment. Ce qui n'était qu'une simple balade en voiturette de golf a dégénéré en arrestation sous les yeux de ses propres enfants. Orgueil ou ignorance? Nous analysons ce cas aujourd'hui dans Police US, Immersion Totale. Port Sainte-Lucie, en Floride. Un policier remarque une voiturette de golf sur une voie publique, une infraction claire. Mais le conducteur pense que sa propriété est une zone de non-droit dès qu'il franchit son allée. Une erreur fatale qui va tout changer. Teshi.
Not on community. I've followed you since community. Do you have your license registration?
I don't have to give you anything on my
Yes, you do.
Get off my property.
Yes, you do. You committed a traffic infraction.
Okay, good. Send me a ticket.
I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I have not committed a crime, and I'm not going
You committed a traffic offense. Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
Okay, are you going to turn this into something criminal?
That's up to you. I'm at my house. If you saw me out there, then you got to pull me over out there.
That's not how that works. A traffic. That's not how that works.
Please remove your vehicle from my
No,
yard,
a traffic infraction happened on the roadway. I need your license.
You're not getting anything.
I need your license.
Do not enter my property, sir.
I'm not on. I need your license.
Thank you so much.
I need his license.
Melly?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, I need his license, or he's at risk of interfering with a law enforcement investigation. Does he want to get arrested for?
What
Call the
investigation, sir?
supervisor. Call the supervisor.
Okay, I will.
Well, I don't know what investigation.
And please move your vehicle out of
Call
my
Sergeant Garcia.
Ici, le conducteur commet sa première erreur. Aux États-Unis d'Amérique, une poursuite policière ne s'arrête pas à la limite d'une propriété privée. Si une infraction a été observée sur la voie publique, la police a le droit de suivre le suspect jusqu'à sa porte.
Hey, do you want to come 51 out to me? Now I'm inside the gated community, but he was driving on the public roadway. He's refusing to give me his license.
Okay, you're refusing.
All right, you're heading out here?
My property. Okay,
All right, bye.
here we go. Officer, I'm going to ask you again. You're in my driveway. Please move. From
You
my
committed a
property,
traffic
sir.
infraction on the public roadway.
I'm respectfully asking you again, sir. If you please remove, I am not giving you my driver's license, sir.
1164, and if there's another unit,
Please move from my. You are blocking my driveway. Am I being detained?
Yes, I need your license. I need your identity to identify you.
L'homme exige que l'officier quitte sa propriété. Pourtant, juridiquement, le policier a ici un droit d'accès implicite. Pour mener une enquête légale, tant qu'il y a un soupçon d'infraction, l'officier n'est pas un intrus.
You are not allowed to do that.
Okay, you can think that.
I know how the police are working.
Okay.
Very well.
Okay.
Can you come inside? Let him in. Yes, on our property. You can go back inside. Thank you.
No, he's going to bring a supervisor. I'm not running from anybody. He'll bring a supervisor. Okay. I'm legally permitted to drive in this neighborhood. I'm insured.
Not on public roadways.
This is not public, sir.
You were on the public roadway.
Okay, do you have proof of that?
Yes, I do.
May I see it?
It's on the body camera.
Perfect. Okay.
I can give it to you after you give me your driver's
I'm
license.
not giving you my driver's license.
Okay.
Why you don't stop to think that part?
That's what I want to know, if he says that was on the road.
There are other cars on the road.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You don't stop at the right moment. It's not counted.
That's not how that works. A traffic stop can be initiated anywhere a violation.
You don't do that in that moment. That is when you do that when he come back in here in the house. That is when you don't do that in the right moment, where you have to do.
La femme prétend que le policier aurait dû l'arrêter immédiatement dans la rue. C'est juridiquement faux. Un agent peut choisir le moment de l'interception pour ne pas compromettre la sécurité. Un arrêt différé dans l'allée ne rend pas le contrôle invalide.
Yeah, that's not how that works.
Well, you don't do it, so.
That is not how that works.
It's
is
work
this
like
allowed?
that
Are
because
you allowed to block my
it's
yard?
work
Yes.
like that.
Okay, you are?
I'm trying to initiate a traffic stop on you
Didn't you on private property you tried to do it.
because of a violation that occurred on a public
You
roadway.
are not allowed to enter private property to come after me. You can't do it. So that's
Okay.
why I asked for a
You have
supervisor.
to-
I'm not.
There's a supervisor coming.
Personal, man.
Okay.
Nothing personal.
Hey, there's a supervisor coming, and you could explain this all to him
You
then.
have the moment and the opportunity for do that, you don't do it. So that is mean you don't do it right, your job.
That is not how that
It
works.
is like that. It is.
Okay.
It is.
Okay,
You know that.
You're on my property still.
I am.
I'm not giving you permission to enter my
I'm not.
You're on my property.
I'm not on your. I'm not in your house.
Blocking my property.
This is HOA property.
My driveway.
This community is HOA property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
This whole driveway is mine.
HOA property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
It's
is.
mine.
Okay, this is HOA property.
Okay, so you're saying that this is not my property, right?
This right here is HOA property.
Beaucoup pensent que les quartiers résidentiels privés sont au-dessus des lois et que la police n'y a aucun pouvoir. Mais le code de la route s'applique aussi ici. L'officier est clair. Il est sur le terrain où l'identification est obligatoire.
Where you committed a traffic offense is public roadway.
This part is in this property. This is our property.
Okay, if you guys want to turn this into something more.
Look at that
I
side.
turn it into anything.
Okay,
Nobody.
After me.
okay,
You have to do the right thing.
okay,
That moment. You don't do it?
okay,
Sorry.
okay.
You lose that.
I know. You saw everything from inside the house, right?
Sir, I am not afraid. I am not afraid for you. I'm here. And I'm telling you that if you don't do the things when you have to do that in the moment that you have to do, why you don't stop him in that part?
Oh, you studied criminal justice?
Huh?
You're a police officer?
Well, that is not your business. If I know, if I not, that is not your business.
Okay,
Okay? But that is that I'm telling you.
okay. I mean, you're trying to tell me how my job works now.
But you don't do that.
Okay.
You do that?
I don't know what you're saying.
No, you know what I'm saying.
No, I don't.
You know what I'm saying.
No, because
You are not
a traffic infraction,
Uh-huh.
you can make a traffic stop.
All the time, but you don't do that in the right moment, in the right second. You don't do that in that minute.
La femme tente de faire la leçon à l'officier sur son propre métier. Aux États-Unis d'Amérique, c'est généralement contre-productif. Les policiers sont formés pour rester calmes, tandis que le citoyen ne fait que perdre du temps avec de telles discussions.
Okay.
Why you have to wait?
I'm not here to change your mind.
No, it's you don't wait. You wait for to come here.
I am
and
not
when
here
you
to
have
change your
do that,
mind.
you have to
I'm
do
not
it
here
in
to
that
change your
part.
mind.
No, I know.
And you weren't driving the golf cart, so I don't know why I'm talking to you.
Because you are the law enforcement and you have to respect for me because you are the law. Right or wrong?
And I'm trying to enforce the law, and you're impeding my investigation.
I am not, what investigation, sir?
The
you
traffic-
Don't have any part. You don't have any paper. Your supervisor is not here.
Do I need
You
to
don't
pull
do
up?
the report.
Okay, if I pull up a printed sheet of what law
You
he
don't
broke,
do that.
No, if you show me proof of me breaking the law,
I absolutely will.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
No, but do
proof,
that.
and then I'll
You
and
don't
I'll be
stop the
quiet.
vehicle.
I'm not
Okay.
trying to
You
give you a
don't
hard
stop the
time.
vehicle. You don't stop and you don't ask for his driver license. You don't do the things that a police officer have to do.
I
If you
asked
know-
for his driver's license. You
when
were
he
inside.
was-
When I'm on private property, you can't ask.
That's
me for
not how
I
that
have
works.
to give you that.
No,
You're-
I haven't-
it is.
Just because you come to your house doesn't mean it's safe zone.
L'officier va droit au but. Votre propre maison n'est pas une zone de sécurité face à la loi. Si vous ignorez un ordre, vous ne pouvez pas simplement vous cacher dans votre jardin. La loi suit la personne, pas le revêtement du sol.
I didn't say anything about safe zone. I'm in private property, sir.
Okay.
I am on private
Okay,
property.
you can have this argument with the sergeant.
Okay.
With the judge and everybody.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so that's fine. So we'll take it to court. I pull up here with my son, and all I'm trying to do is go inside the house, and he pulls up in my driveway. I asked him to leave. He said, I want to see your driver's license. I said, for what? He said, for driving the golf cart. He said it was on a public road. I said, well, number one, we're on private property. This is private property. I'm more than okay to drive my golf cart on here. It's insured. And he wants my driver's license. I said, okay, well, then show me what I did wrong. He said, I was following you from somewhere, but there was cars. I said, well, I'm not giving you my license for that. I mean, I'm not hiding. This is my house. You find out who I am, but I'm not giving him my license for some. If he's saying I was doing something, then he's got to pull me over, and he's got to do whatever he's going to do at the time that he thinks that I'm apparently breaking the law.
Le conducteur espère l'appui du sergent. Il pense que le supérieur va le soutenir. Mais aux États-Unis d'Amérique, les sergents soutiennent leurs agents tant qu'ils agissent légalement. Le refus de présenter ses papiers est une infraction claire pour les deux officiers.
Well, yeah, inside the HOA communities, you're allowed to. But anywhere it's like city-owned roads, like Village Parkway, Community Boulevard, Gatlin Cross, anything else that's not inside of like a community area.
I understand
And
that.
then,
I mean, I understand that.
yeah.
I mean, to pull me over right here in my house, and he wants to put the lights on and make a big commotion, blocking my driveway.
Yeah, he has the supervisor on the way. So,
Okay.
So
I thought you were the super.
no. I have a trainee. We were close by.
Oh yes, you don't have to. In here. You can put it in here.
Normally, we're stopping the golf carts because a lot of people are calling them City Hall. One, it can't be on the roadways. Or
I am
the
agree with
sidewalks.
you, but do it in the moment that you have to do it. You don't have to wait. You don't have to do this. We respect the law enforcement,
Absolutely.
but it's the
absolutely.
thing when you have to
Absolutely.
do that. If you told me if I am broken the law outside, you have to pull me over and right away in that one.
That's like telling me, okay, I mean, somebody pull up to your house, say, "Oh, you broke the speed limit on the highway." Well, we're at my house. What are you talking about? You know, I mean, come on.
Hi. So I'm his supervisor. So I'm gonna make one request.
Okay.
Okay. Pulling into your driveway doesn't negate the stop. I'm gonna give you the option right now because what's gonna happen if you don't provide the identification, we're gonna have to arrest you. We don't want to arrest you.
Under arrest?
Yes.
Okay,
So
for
would you
what law?
prefer to present the identification?
C'est le point de non-retour. Le sergent offre une dernière chance. À ce moment précis, des secondes séparent la liberté de la prison. Pourtant, le conducteur choisit de poursuivre la confrontation au lieu de coopérer. Basisme.
Sorry, I have a question. No. I have a question.
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting.
You're not fighting.
Stop. Move away.
Don't say anything without your lawyer, and they don't have any
So you're
solution for to do
so
that.
if I give you my
are
driver's
going to
license,
say it like that.
so if I give you my license, you will permit me. You will have a conversation with me. I'm asking you about the law.
You're under arrest.
The kids is that doing?
Resist, okay?
I am not recessed, but the kids there in there.
Ma'am, don't
The
resist.
kids there in there.
Ma'am,
Please.
don't
I
resist.
didn't tell you no. I said I was going to ask you a question.
You did tell
I'm
this
trying
officer no, though, right?
I said I want to understand what the law is. That's all I ask.
Okay.
Please. Tell him that he's 14 years old and he is 6 years old.
Okay.
Don't leave it alone.
Okay. Just one
That's
second.
it.
Let us 1 second at a time.
But you don't have
Melly,
to do it in
Melly,
person.
Melly,
They
my
arrested
kids
him.
are inside. Let her, please.
Once-
No, they
she'll
say
be
that.
quiet. She'll be quiet. Please, let my kids are inside. I have a 6-year-old daughter in there, sir. You can't. Please let
We're
her
gonna have
go.
to find somebody else. to
Okay,
help out.
let her go. She didn't do anything.
Absolutely not. Put her in the car, please. In the car.
Okay, can I tell my son? Wait a minute. I have minors in
Can I
here.
have
Can
my-
I tell my son?
Let's go
I'm
to
not
the car.
fighting. I'm not fighting.
Let's go to the car, sir. Please.
Believe.
Maintenant, l'émotion prend le dessus. Le conducteur utilise ses enfants comme argument. Pourtant, légalement, il a lui-même provoqué cette situation. La police doit maintenant procéder à l'arrestation car le refus d'obtempérer a été officiellement enregistré.
You cannot leave my kids alone.
We're right here.
Why
Sir,
are you doing this?
I'm doing this. Please
I
walk to
just
the car.
asked you. I just said
Sir,
to you if I
please
said
walk
I
to the
wanted to
car.
make sure that I'm legally
Sir,
required
walk
to
to
give
the
you my
car.
ID.
Yes, you are legally
Okay,
required.
but
It's a
if you would
traffic
have told me
stop.
that,
I tried to explain that to you.
I told no. I was asking
Sir,
for a
please get
supervisor.
into the car.
Please, man. My
You
kids
would
are-
have literally
Okay.
gotten a warning.
Observez comment la situation s'aggrave lorsque la femme intervient. Aux États-Unis d'Amérique, toute interférence physique dans une arrestation est considérée comme un crime grave. Ce qui n'était qu'un simple interrogatoire mène désormais à plusieurs arrestations simultanées.
I was
You would have
trying
gotten
to
a
do
written
that
warning.
and give you. You see
I
my
don't
license is right
understand.
here.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Why didn't you just
I got
show
a
it to me?
6-year-old in there.
Sir,
Come on.
I'm not wanting to do any of
Give
this.
my kid a ride to school, please. Come on, man. Don't do that.
Sir, there's nothing that I'm doing.
Respectfully ask you.
Please turn around.
Do you have anything on? Come on. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me?
I asked for a supervisor. That's all I asked, sir.
Sir,
Please. Man to man, if you have kids, please don't do this. My
Sir.
kids are inside.
listen. All you had to do was
And
present your ID.
it's right there.
As
right
simple,
there in the
as
front
simple
pocket.
as
But I
it
told
was.
you that, sir.
I don't understand what the point of refusing it was.
It wasn't. No. But what I'm trying to tell you is I wasn't trying to refuse it from you, sir. I was asking you if I'm legally required. That's all I was asking.
He asked you, right?
No. Well, he asked me, but he also was blocking my property. And I didn't understand what that was. That's why I requested respectfully. I told him respectfully, may I please speak to a supervisor? That's all I said.
Ay, Dios.
There's no going back. Okay.
All right. Where are my kids?
Is there? So here's my next question: Is
Okay.
there a relative, a
Yes.
neighbor that you would?
Can you call her?
Absolutely.
Okay. Can you just let her go? Man?
We can't,
She's just
sir.
being a
If
pain.
she's in
She
handcuffs.
was being a pain. That's all.
Sir,
Okay, can
but
you
she
do me
can't-
that favor?
she
I'll go.
can't put her hands on officers when they're trying
She
to place
wasn't
them.
trying to put her hands to hurt anybody. Come on, sir.
No, I never said she was.
All right, just
but
let
she
her.
can't.
And I
Okay.
respect that,
So
sir.
let's-
And
let's
I
work on-
apologize to you, man. Can you please let her stay with
Sir.
my kid?
Ce n'est qu'une fois menotté que l'homme commence à s'excuser. Trop tard. Aux États-Unis d'Amérique, une excuse tardive n'efface pas le délit de résistance. Le processus judiciaire est désormais inexorablement lancé.
Sir,
Please, sir.
who am I calling for your
703.
And who is that?
That's their mother.
Okay.
She's right down the street.
what's
Can you
the-
call her? And why is this guy walking?
I couldn't tell.
Huh? Well, yeah, I got pulled over for driving a golf cart.
What's the name of the mother?
I'm getting arrested, and I
put him out.
he's throwing me in the, yeah, my kids are in
All
the,
right, come on.
for driving the golf cart. Okay, get your extra and push me in like you want to. Go ahead.
Why would I do that?
Come on, man, I got kids. Why you got
Why would
to
I
do that?
push
I
you
asked
in?
for us. You know why? Just like you
I
were
was
trying
nothing
to
but
rough me up
respectful
in
to
there.
you.
You weren't. I was respectful to you too. Didn't I tell you nicely? Can you make sure? Please don't leave until my kids are here.
We are not
Wait,
gonna go
you
anywhere.
cannot leave until my.
We are not going anywhere yet.
Where is my phone? You took my phone out of my pocket.
Yes, I have that.
Where is it?
It'll be going with you to the St. Lucie County
Where is
Jail.
it?
L'officier explique froidement. Le téléphone part à la prison. Tout ce que l'homme porte sur lui sera désormais placé sous scellé. Un contraste brutal avec l'après-midi détendu qu'il avait initialement prévu. Dida.
See you.
It will be going with you to St. Lucie County Jail.
Okay. Hope you feel good, man. Doing that to somebody with kids.
L'orgueil mène souvent directement au dépôt. Une simple amende de $50 s'est transformée en une procédure pénale qui coûtera des milliers de dollars. La coopération est toujours la voie la plus simple. Abonnez-vous à Police US. Immersion Totale pour plus d'analyses. À bientôt.